What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Invicta portable Bluetooth wireless speaker with FM radio. So you guys know, if you follow my channel, I am a big fan of Invicta products, especially their watches. So when I was online on their store site and I saw this, I had to pick it up. So this is going to be more like a collector's item for me. I may use it from time to time, we'll see. But yeah, I had to pick this up. So right now, this is only $7.90, and I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go pick this up. The regular retails for $39, so they have it on sale. So some of the features and details, like I said, this is a FM radio, Bluetooth speaker, hands-free calling, so you can make phone calls with this. Supports USB drive, micro SD card support, and it has a 1200 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. So those are a few of the features and details. Here's the packaging. Very nice, colorful yellow and white and black box. Invicta branding there since 1837, as you guys see. Over on this side, pretty much the same thing. And it says, enjoy the music. Now, I've already cut the tape, so let's go ahead and get into the box. Check it out. So first thing you're going to get in there is a speaker and some paperwork, and you get a cable here as well. So let's put the box to the side. So this is going to be your operations manual here. It's going to let you know everything you need to know about this right there. You guys want to pause that and read it yourself. There's some other stuff here on the back. You're going to get a cable here. So this is the micro USB cable, plus you get a USB-A in on the other side. So still using micro USB-A, USB. And then, of course, we're going to get the speaker. Now, right off the bat, this looks really, really nice, man. I like the yellow color here. Got this kind of fabric-like over your speaker grill there. Very nice. Nice little weight. It's all plastic, but it feels good. So you got your mode button up here, your volume up and down. And then you have your pause play button over here. So that is very nice right there. You do have a nice carrying strap here. On the bottom, you got some rubber feet here. Let's get these off of there. So if you got it on your desk, this rubber is going to, keep it in place. And then here's the back of it. So you got your USB-A right here, your micro USB. You got your charging, then you got your on and off button. Very small, compact little speaker here. And we're going to get this started up. See if I got any power. Oh,
Bluetooth mode.
Very loud right there, as you guys see. Look like we do have a Bluetooth LED flashing in there, a little blue light in there. So it's in Bluetooth mode, ready to pair. Let me get a phone. We're going to come back and check this out. All right, guys, so we're back in. I do have my Google Pixel Fold here. We're going to pair this with that. And as you guys see, it is still in the pairing mode by the flashing blue light right there. Let's go into settings and we'll get this paired up. So we're going to pair a new device. We'll see what comes up. Invicta Sound is the first one at the top right there. We're going to go ahead and hit that. It says pair with Invicta Sound. Also allow access to contacts and call history. I'm going to do that. And then we're going to go ahead and pair. As you guys hear, there was an audible there. So here it is here. It says 70% battery. Also in here, you can forget the device, disconnect. I guess you can rename it there as well. Has spatial audio from compatible media becomes immersive. Phone calls is ticked on. Media audio is ticked on. Allow access to contacts and call history. All of that is ticked on right there. So it is now paired. Now there's no app or anything like that. So that's pretty much pairing it. Let's go ahead and pull up some music. Okay, guys, so I have some music selections pulled up here. Let's go ahead and try something here. We'll play this. And as you guys see, it is paired and it's playing. I can raise the volume here on my device. Let's listen at it. This actually sounds good. Nice bass, mids, highs. Actually sound good. So I can skip tracks here as well on my phone. Let me turn it down just a little bit. I also can control the volume here. I'm going to leave it maxed out here and lower it here. So long pressing on the minus lowers it. Long pressing on the positive raises the volume, and it gives you an audible when you're maxed out. I can skip tracks. Short press skips tracks. Short press takes you back to the next. On the minus takes you back to the previous track. I can pause it right here, restart it. But it sounds great, man. Let's skip tracks. And let's listen at it just a second here, and then we'll move on. I'm gonna lay it flat. Actually sounds great for a little small speaker. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and get a USB drive and a micro USB card. We're gonna plug those in, check it out, see how they sound. I'll put some music on those, and then we'll check out some of the other features as well. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I got a couple of things here. I got a micro USB right here. We're gonna go ahead and plug that in. Let's see what we get here. So got it in place.
Play by TF card.
And it tells you that it's gonna play by this card. So you guys see, automatically starts playing. I can raise the volume, lower the volume, pause, same thing, skip tracks. And pause it. So I'm very surprised by the sound of this speaker as well. Let's go ahead and plug in the USB-A to see how it works. So there it is. It's plugged in.
Play by USB drive.
And it tells you that it's going to play what's on my USB-A drive. And I pretty much have the same selections on here as well. So we can skip. We can skip, as you guys see, reverse. Pause, and I can take the menu button and go back to and cycle through whatever here. So let's go ahead and press it.
Play by USB drive.
That's USB. Let's go ahead and hit it again.
Auxiliary mode.
This is auxiliary mode.
FM mode.
So this would be your FM radio mode.
Bluetooth mode.
This is Bluetooth. We can just cycle through.
Play by USB drive.
USB.
Play by TF card.
And that's the micro SD card slot. So yeah, everything is working just like it should. Let's go ahead. I'm going to see if I can tune in a FM radio and see how that sounds as well. So stand by, guys. All right, guys. So I was able to pull up a radio station. I'm not going to play very much. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but here it is. I'm going to turn the volume up. Now the radio station is not very strong, but as you guys see, it is picking up the radio station. And the way that you scan for radio stations, you hold down on this button here, and it'll automatically start scanning for radio stations. As you guys see, it is just automatically going through, scanning for different radio stations, as you guys see. So we're gonna get out of that.
Bluetooth mode.
Now we're back in Bluetooth mode. I can go ahead and use it with my phone now. So very nice,
Play
man.
By USB drive.
You guys see, and I can pause it. So very nice speaker here that you can use with your USB-A drive right here.
Play by TF card.
Little thumb drives.
Bluetooth mode.
You can use your micro SD cards. You can choose Bluetooth mode, play with other devices, not only just your phone, your tablets, or whatever Bluetooth capable devices. And you have an auxiliary mode on there as well for taking phone calls and things like that. So very nice little speaker here from Invicta, man. Very impressed with this. Thought it would just be a little novelty, you know, like a collector's item, but I may just have to throw this in my bag from time to time. on a trip or something and keep it in there, man, because it sounds very good. So I'll definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. So this is the Invicta portable Bluetooth wireless speaker with FM radio. Very nice little device, man. Link in the description. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.